Alright, we just got our order from Home Depot. This is the $25 tool set, socket set, 97 piece Stanley that we just made a few days back. Stay tuned to this channel because when these deals drop, they do sell out. There was 477 of these available, and when I posted, they all sold out. So you guys have to be subscribed. Stanley 97 piece mechanics tool set. I still can't believe it. 25 bucks for this thing. Alright, so we got 72 tooth ratchet, 5-degree arch swing, smooth operation in tight spaces, 97 pieces, 1/4 inch 3/8 SAN metric Stanley lifetime warranty. We do have L wrenches, some bits there, and some more sockets here. Another extension bit driver there. 2 different ratchets. It's already falling apart. Just kidding. Everything is in its place. This is what it looks like right here. Actually pretty dang nice. For $25. Oh my god. This is a really good deal. Even just to keep it on your trucks. I should have gotten a few of these, keep it on my work trucks and on my vehicles. But I just got one, just, leave some for you guys. But yeah, guys, this is check this out. Really nice quality. This is Stanley chrome vanadium steel, CRV. That's a 1/2 inch, and this is a 12 side socket. Yeah, I know what they say about 12 and 6 sides. You know what? It is what it is. It's 12. Deal with it. It's only 25 bucks. Here's a shallow socket. Really nice, brand new. Nice and shiny. Got the L wrenches there. Not the best quality, but they seem to work. That's a 3/8 extension. Again, this was a limited time only. This deal was to my subscribers. Make sure you guys stay subscribed. For 25 bucks, well worth it. Tells you the specifics on the back. That's it. Just a short video for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hit the like, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.